What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video I will be going over exactly how I'm doing my product research, listing process, and keeping up with my items. So I decided to make a three-part video series which will show you exactly how I'm doing my product research, how I'm listing my products, and how I'm keeping up with my listings. So I decided to do that because even though I have a lot of videos about how to do product research, I can still see that people are kind of lost. So I decided to divide it for the three main parts in my listing product research process. So the first part will be about how to find the products, okay? How to do the product research and find the hottest and the best-selling products to list to your store. Second one will be how to list them, okay? And that is also important, the same as going and finding them, okay? If you will not list them properly, okay, and I will show everything, pricing, everything that you need to know. And if you will not list them properly, like most likely your items are not going to sell. So the third one will be how to keep up with your listings, okay? How to make sure that even if someone undercuts you and you start losing sales, how to get them back, okay? Because that is way more powerful and you will see more results than going and listing new products. Yes, it is important to list new products, but to keep up with your listings is way more powerful. So every single week I will be releasing one video, okay? So I hope that it will help you. If you have any questions, requests, make sure you leave that in the comment below. And before we start, another thing, make sure you remember that I'm doing every single Saturday I'm doing a live Q&A, okay, at 8 p.m. UK time. You have a link in the description which you can set yourself a reminder, and then you will not forget that I'm going live, okay? So make sure you set yourself a reminder. So without further ado, let's start with the video, guys. What is happening, guys? So welcome to video number 1 in the 3 series video that I will be sharing with you. So in this video, we'll be showing you exactly how I'm doing my product research and how I'm finding hot selling items for manual dropshipping. Okay. Now the 3 windows that we will need to open is, the first one will be eBay if it is ebay.com, eBay UK, depends on where are you dropshipping at, and the second one will be, you need to pick a certain supplier in your country, okay? If it is ebay.com, you have Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot, etc. And here in the UK, one of the main manual dropshipping suppliers that also I use, it's Von House, okay? And I just want to start my product research, and for that I will be using Von House. Now the third thing is that you want to know, you need to know exactly if the seller is selling it in a profitable price or not, okay? So you have this website, eBay fees calculator. It also works for United States, for eBay UK, and that's it. It's really simple to use. Now basically what you want to do is, first you go to the website of the supplier. Now I want to choose like a certain item. Maybe I want to find a really good selling item on their website, okay? And that is because, like, most likely that the dropshippers will dropship the best items from this website. So I can go ahead and click on sale or what's hot, or just go to all the categories and try to find something. But let's begin with what's hot. Okay, now what I want to do, okay, now this is the results. I want to see if I can filter it by ratings, and I can't, okay? Only its best sellers, prices, new position, things like that. So if you can go ahead and filter it by reviews, that will be great. And why is that? Because as I said, most likely that dropshippers will dropship the most reviewed and the successful items from the website. So let's start with this one, the leaf blower. So basically what you want to do here, the title is a bit too short, so maybe I will not find the exact same item straight away. But basically what you want to do is to copy the title of the item, and then you need to paste it on eBay. So let's paste it and click search. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to find the exact same item on eBay with someone that is selling for higher price. So let's search it. So we have this one, this first one selling for $48.99. Now if you are dropshipping, if you are searching for United States or the UK, you want to make sure you need to do something one time. You click on that on one of the listings, it doesn't matter which one, and basically, as you can see, because am at Mexico right now, so it gives me only the sellers that are shipping to Mexico. And because I'm doing manual dropshipping in the UK, so I want to make sure that I see all the sellers that sell for United Kingdom, because those are going to be also my competitors. So let me change that to United Kingdom and then get rates. Okay, perfect. Now I will go back, okay, twice, and what I want to do is to refresh the page, and then I will see more results. You see, right now I have way more results than I had, and I can see here that I already see. So Domo has Von has, they have a store on eBay, but that is really, it doesn't matter. So it costs $29.99. And we see this guy selling for $48.99, but this is a sponsored listing. But I can go ahead and check his store now. So he sold it actually 12 times. Okay, so basically what I want to do is I want to go inside the sales and see if he actually sold it for that price and when was the last time that he sold it. So yes, this guy sold it 12 times, but as you can see here, he sold it only once at this price. And let's say, I think that after a while, I think 90 days or even more, half year or something like that, eBay just deletes the history of the sales. Now the last time that we can see here, he sold it on April, and that is way too far. I know we want to find hot selling items that are selling right now. So you can go ahead and just move on to the next seller, but something that you can also do right now, I want to see any of his other items to see maybe he's selling something else. Now let's click on see other items, and now I see all his items that he has in his store and the ones that he is selling the most recently. Now I can see from my experience, I can see that most of his items, those are like Amazon items. I don't want to have Amazon products in my store, so I will be moving on to the next seller. Okay, and I also don't really see here like hot selling items. If there will be hot selling items, they will seem like this. Okay, it will say this and this amount sold, this and this amount sold in here in the top. So let's go back and let's try to find another seller. So let's search for the Von House leaf blower. We have this one. Okay, this one $36.57, 5 watchers. So this cost is $20.99. So let's click on it, and also I can see that he made a full optimized title, which telling to me that this may be a good seller, that I can go ahead and find good profitable items from this guy. So let's click on the number of sold, and boom, as you can see, okay, right now it's 21 of August, and this guy is killing it. Okay, he sold it already 4 times in the past 30 days. Now my criterias are minimum 3 times in the past 30 days, and this guy is within my criterias. Now I want to go ahead and see if this guy is making profit. Okay, because it is good to make sales, but we want to make profit. Now this is where we use our calculator. So this guy is selling for $36.57. Now he is not charging shipping, so shipping will be 0, and item cost is $29.99, and shipping cost also 0. Von House give you free shipping for all purchases. Now you need to select if you have a eBay store, basic, featured, anchored, because that will reflect over your fees for you paying for eBay. It's not going to be that the change is not going to be that serious. Okay, but just choose if you have an eBay store, if you are a top rated seller, if you are VAT registered, etc. So I will leave everything as it is, like I am a brand new seller. So as you can see right now, this guy is barely making profit on this item. So the profit here is 75 pence. Okay, so that is not a lot. Okay, you can go ahead and start with this profit, but I want maybe to go ahead and find something with higher profit. Now we can go ahead and check more of his items. So this is an Amazon product. This is as well. This is from Zooplus. So let's try this one. Zooplus is also a great manual dropshipping supplier. So he is selling it really well. Now we need to find the item on the supplier's page. Now what I will do, I will scroll down to the description, and I want to find the description here. Okay, so I will copy the description and I will click search Google, and let's see, we need Zooplus. Okay, didn't find anything, so I will just maybe copy just a piece of it. Again, not finding anything. Let's try to search this piece. There you go, Zooplus. Okay, let's just confirm that this is the exact same item. Yes, it is. Now this item is selling for $39.99, and this guy is selling for $49.50, which not really leaving me a wiggle room, and I don't think that this guy is making any profit. So I think we will be moving to the next one, but let's just check that quickly. $39.99. Okay, so the profit here is 1.699. Now I will go ahead and snipe this item. And why is that? Because Zooplus, okay, and this is why you need to learn your suppliers. Zooplus gives you 5% of every single order when you as a customer you do like a membership that costs you a few pounds for a year, and then you enjoy 5% off of every single purchase. So in my case, what I'm going to do, I will be taking down $39.99, and I will be taking the 5% off, so it will be $37.99. so that is the actual price that you're going to pay. So it is 3.69. Maybe not the best profit, okay, but we will be going and learning exactly how you can maximize your profit in the next videos. But that is something that I am for me, I will be listing something like that. And also Zooplus offers you another more, like I think 2 or 3% cashback on every single purchase you make from them. So that can bring you almost to like £4 profit, almost 10% profit, maybe 8%, something like that. So that can be a good item to find. Now what I'm going to do, and this is how you do the product research, okay, you need to go ahead and check every single one of them, okay, of this seller's items. Okay, you going in every single item, you check if this item actually sold 3 times in the past 30 days and for the same price. This is a hot selling item, this one. So, and then what you want to do, you scrolling down to the description, okay, and now you want to go ahead and copy a piece of his description and find it on Vonhouse. Now let's see. So didn't find anything, so let's go ahead and try another piece. I'll try only this. Let's see. Okay, I think this is the same exact item. It is. Yes. Yes, it is. So again, what you're doing, you're going to the calculator, 33.74, I think. Yes, and the price on Von House is 27.99. 27.99. Okay, again, not this one is not really a good profit here. So I will be just moving on and going and searching other products that I can make profit selling them. Okay, and that's it, guys. You're just going and searching for all of these items manually. Okay, and something that I want to tell you, that most of these items, that the top selling items and the ones that sold the most recent, will be at the top part of the page. Okay, the first page when you're going to the items for from this seller. Okay, so focus on the first page and try to find those products that are selling well. Try to find them on the supplier's website and then see if you can make a profit. Okay, so yeah, I will see you in the next part. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and you find some golden nuggets from this video. So this is part 1 from the 3 parts series that I will be releasing every single week. So you will see, if you will follow those exact same steps of the 3 parts, I guarantee you will see results. There is no way that you will not see results. That is guaranteed. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you leave this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I really suggest you to consider to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.